Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Android model and OS version, since tools vary by device. Next, charge to about 80% and unplug so readings stabilize. This helps avoid skewed results. Once done, enable developer options, and, if you plan deeper diagnostics, turn on USB debugging to use ADB-based commands. You do this now so you can run accurate battery queries and install monitoring apps. These initial steps prevent false positives and prepare the phone for the detailed checks ahead. You now gather detailed readings. Open Settings Battery to see recent app drain and screen-on times, because that reveals obvious culprits. Then install a trusted battery monitor app for voltage, temperature, and design capacity estimates to compare real versus rated capacity. If you enabled USB debugging, run a DB shell dumpsy's battery to pull raw system parameters and battery health codes. This shows charge cycles, status, and present volts. Make sure to record values and timestamps so you can compare before and after tests. You finish by comparing measured capacity against manufacturer specs. If it's above about 80% of rated capacity, the battery is generally healthy. Once done, perform a full charge-discharge cycle and repeat measurements to ensure consistency across runs. If you find inconsistent or fluctuating readings, boot into safe mode to rule out rogue apps, and as a last resort, backup data and factory reset to exclude software faults. If hardware issues persist, plan a professional battery replacement and avoid DIY swaps unless certified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.